Hi guys, welcome to another
unboxing.
So today we've got a special delivery. We don't know who it's from, and we're going to see right now.
It says good Friday. Come on, open it up.
Open it up. So let's open it up.
Whoa.
Oh,
It says BIC.
it's from BIC. Okay, so it says BIC. What's inside?
Ooh. So I'm gonna take out the stuff.
Okay.
Okay, so we've got a Matic Shimmers.
Matic Shimmers. Oh, this is new. Mechanical pencil.
It is new.
It's 0.5 millimeter fine lead, 3 HB lids. Okay, so this is BIC performance policy. This BIC product has been designed and manufactured to give you complete satisfaction. If for any reason you are not satisfied with the performance of this product, please return to BIC and we will replace it at no cost to you. BIC Matic Shimmers Blister 3. Okay, so it's a new HB 0.5 millimeter fine mechanical pencil, and there's 3 different colors.
Ooh, that looks like a blue, green, and pink or purple.
Pink. Okay.
Okay, then I'll go through the next one. Evolution Original.
Okay, so this is shock resistant. Oh wow. Recycled and recyclable packaging. 5 HB 2 value pack 3 plus 2 free. Okay, so it's HB pencils. It says wood-free graphite pencil, synthetic resin with eraser end. No splinters if pencil breaks, resists chewing. Ultra-resistant HB graphite lead made from 57% recycled material, percentage of the total weight of the product. Okay, let's just see what it looks like inside, because we can't really see. You think you can resist chewing this? I don't know if I...
No, I'm not gonna chew it.
I think I might resist chewing it, but we need to see if it's shock resistant also.
Let's see. I don't feel it.
We need to hit it on the ground and see. Okay, so that is Evolution. Okay.
Okay. Then next one is Crystal Original.
Crystal Original Extra Life Writes 2 times longer ballpoint pen, 2 times medium 1 millimeter ball pen. Okay, these are the originals. Ball pen, medium 0.1 milliliter ventilated cap, long lasting product, minimum 2 kilometers writing length. We were supposed to test these. We have to test it.
Yeah.
2 kilometers of writing.
That was
So I'm gonna drive and then you're gonna just draw on the road and see if it goes for like 2 kilometers.
or maybe I'm gonna circle on a page.
For 2 kilometers. You need a lot of paper.
Okay, then we've got the Orange Fine.
Okay, another original. Orange Fine Point, the Teacher's Choice ball pen, fine 0.8 millimeter ball point 2 times. So smooth writing, ventilated cap, 0.8 millimeters point size for a fine line with quality ink, quick drying and smooth writing. I wonder if this is a blue pen, because we actually need blue pens apparently when we're writing exams for scribing. So for concessions facilitation, one of the English teachers at the school that we work at said we must use blue pens, not black pens. So hopefully this is a blue pen. Ball pen, so not a fine liner. It's point size for a fine line width, but it's not a fine line. So maybe you can use that.
Okay, then we go to the next one. The highlighted grip
Highlighter grip cylinder. Pastel will not dry out 24 hours. Oh, I know Nabia's gonna like these. Pocket highlighter. Chisel tip highlighter with textured rubber grip for extra comfort and control. Will not dry out up to 24 hours. Cap off. Okay, interesting. Packaging made with a minimum of 60% recycled cardboard and plastic. Cool.
Okay, then the next one. 4 colors shine. Oh, it's got, let's see, it's got green, blue, black, and red.
This is almost a South African flag that Isa wanted. Isa said he wanted a pen that has the South African colors in it. The only color it's missing is?
Yellow and white.
Well, white would be, yeah, yellow. So yellow. So 1 millimeter medium. So we're going to call this a South African flag pen. So 4 colors in 1 retractable ball pen, 1 millimeter point size for medium line width, refillable. Oh, okay, that sounds interesting. Packaging made with a minimum of 60% recycled cardboard and plastic.
Okay, then the next one is like a pack. Crystal fashion.
Crystal fashion. Okay, so there's lots of different colors here.
It looks like there's turquoise or something. Pink, purple, green, yellow-ish
It looks
gold.
like gold.
Oh, that's gold. Blue and
It's
brown
actually cyan.
and yellow.
There's cyan, yellow, and magenta. Okay, so it says crystal fashion ball pen. So who do you think got the colors right? Is it Isa or myself? In the comments, before you see, hit pause and write in the comments who do you think got the colors right. So the first one is pink, ding 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 ding. Then purple, ding 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 ding. Turquoise, lime green, orange, brown, gold, and mint green. Oh wow. So lime green, so we got quite a lot of them wrong. Okay, we must be colorblind. 1.2 millimeter point size for medium line with fashion and fun ink colors. Okay.
That's like a pack. And then I think last but not least, BIC highlighter.
My favorite, always when I'm scribing in the exam, one of the students that I scribe for knows, and he says to me, this is your favorite part, that when it says you need to highlight the correct answer, and then I get the highlighters and then I'm like, yeah, and I get to highlight the correct answer. Anyway, so this is a BIC highlighter, quick drying, fine 1.2 millimeter, large 4.6 millimeter, won't bleed through moist papers. Oh wow. Okay, so this is BIC marking highlighters, and what colors are these?
I think that's pink, orange, yellow, and green.
Okay, I think we would have got those right. So it says highlight ultra fluorescent, pigmented, and dye water-based inks. Quick drying ink, won't bleed through moist papers. Chisel tip gives 2 line widths, 1.2 millimeters for underlining and 4.6 millimeters for broad highlighting. Marks, paper, fax, and photocopies. Interesting. Okay, so thank you to BIC for this lovely drop, unexpected. But BIC are doing quite a lot of things. Check out our website for more information. They also asked us to nominate someone, a deserving student, to get a pack as well. Not this pack, but something similar for the new year, for 2026, and for Global Education Week, which is happening this week. Also listen to our podcast on Radio Islam. It's on SoundCloud. It will be on our website as well. We spoke to Amy Whittam, who's the marketing manager at BIC SA Stationery, and she told us all about Global Education Week, all the initiatives that BIC is getting involved in, and they're doing quite a lot. One of the things is buy a pen, donate a pen. So for every BIC pen that you buy, they've been doing it since 2012, they will donate another pen. They've donated, I think, over 17 million or 70 million. That's a lot of millions. But you'll hear it in our podcast. It's on SoundCloud. Radio Islam International is called Level Up. The podcast is called Write It Up. And good luck to all those who are writing exams at the moment. Keep a lookout for more unboxing videos. Keep a lookout for more of what we do at iloveza.com. So where can they find us?
So for more all stuff, visit our website www.iloveza.com. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, X, LinkedIn, YouTube, TikTok, as well as Threads, and that's hashtag iloveza, heart, South African flag, hashtag after fighter grant, at iloveza.com, hashtag B2BCII, at B2BCII, hashtag level up.
And from me, Ziad, and from Isa, until next time, we love
Zay.